In this video, we explore how easy it is to send a large gift alert from Nonprofit Cloud into Microsoft Teams. Once the solution is configured, getting started is as simple as creating a new Salesforce flow. We'll create a record-triggered flow on the gift entry object. We want to be careful selecting our criteria so that we don't flood our Teams channel with notifications that go ignored. Optimize the flow for actions and related records and close out the flow's start section. A text template is a great way to prepare a formatted message, especially if we want to construct a piece of text using values from other resources such as records and other variables. We want to make sure it is created as plain text, as Teams uses Markdown for formatting instead of HTML. Here we use double asterisks for bold and single asterisks for italics. With our message prepared, time to add the notification to the flow, add a new element to the canvas, and search for Teams. We have 3 pre-built notifications, and for this video, we will send a structured notification. Pick the Teams channel you want the notification to appear in with a quick search. In our title, we have static text combined with a record variable. Our text template will be placed here in the message. Facts are table-based values that give additional context to the notification and are a great place to display record values. Actions are link buttons that appear at the bottom of a notification, for example, taking the viewer straight to a Salesforce record. Save and activate the flow, and now it's time to see it in action. Saving this gift entry to the batch causes the flow to execute, sending the notification into Microsoft Teams.